Hi all. In this video we will tell you how to use Swampcoin Lightwallet Windows Client app. Go to the swampcoin.club website. Then click Lightwallet in main menu. At page that opens, scroll to the bottom and click Swamp Lightwallet Client Download. After which the file for installing Lightwallet will begin to download. Then go to folder where downloaded file is saved. In our case, this is standard downloads folder. Now let's launch Lightwallet install by double-clicking on installation file. A Windows warning window will then open, but don't worry, it's not malware. This warning exists because the wallet program is open source and does not have a digital signature according to Microsoft standards. Then click on More Info. Then click Run Anyway. Then click Next. Then choose I accept and click again Next. Here you can change installation path. For this example we will install in suggested default path. That means we don't change anything and click Next. Here click Install. Then click Finish. For convenience, let's copy the shortcut from Start menu to Desktop. To do this, find the shortcut in the Start menu. Right-click and in drop-down menu, click Open File Location. In the window that opens, copy shortcut and paste it onto your desktop. Then double-click Launch Shortcut. In window that opens, click Create Profile. Then write your username in the form field. And click Submit. Then set your password and click Submit. At next window for confirmation write again password and click Submit. Now working window of wallet will open, where there will be menu of wallet actions. Field above menu contains wallet address to which you can transfer coins. Now for example, let's send 1 coin from main wallet to our light wallet. For this action, copy address from light wallet by clicking on button, which located to left of address. At main wallet go to Send menu section. Paste address in field that named Pay to. Then enter amount. In our example let it be 1 coin. Then click Sent. In next dialog window enter password. And click OK. In next dialog window click Yes. So we sent 1 swamp coin. Now we are waiting for it to appear on Lightwallet. After some time we see that 1 coin appeared on our Lightwallet balance, which means that transaction was successful. And then I will show you how to send coins from Lightwallet to external address. To do this, we will create new address in our main Swamp Core Wallet app. And then copy it to clipboard. Returns to Lightwallet window and click on Send Swamp. Then in window that opens paste it into field that is under inscription, receiver address. Then in field, amount to send, enter number of coins that we are going to send. Let it be 0.5 coins. Click Create Transaction and then click Confirm. Next, OK. Then we see at the bottom of main Lightwallet window message that transaction has been successfully added to memory pool. And in response we have received TXID, which confirms successful transaction creation. And now let's check receipt of coins in our main Swamp Core Wallet app. At main Core Wallet application window, go to Transactions menu and see that transaction has appeared in the list, which means everything is working fine. and tell you a few more important notes about work of Swamp Lightwallet application. You can create many addresses, but Lightwallet will only show balance of one address selected from list. To see balance of another addresses, you need to select it. Therefore it is not recommended to create many addresses for receiving coins, so as not to get confused in them. Also, when you are sending coins, you must select from which specific address you want to send coins. Remember, displaying total balance of all addresses is not provided here, because this is simple free application. You can also transfer addresses from Lightwallet to main core wallet and vice versa, but this is separate topic, and therefore, I will talk about this in another video guide. Now tell you how to make backup copy of your Lightwallet, so that if necessary you can restore access to your coins. For example, if you need restore wallet on another PC, go to the Lightwallet working folder, which is located in Standard Documents folder. Enter Swamp Lightwallet client and then Swamp Light. There is a file with name that we registered in application. In our example this name was test. Therefore file is called test profile JSON. This file we need to save in separate place or storage. Using this file you can recover or transferring wallet to another PC. Create backup folder, and paste copied file of our profile there. And at the end I will add small postscript. Lightwallet is fully custodial service. It is designed as simple solution for quick introduction of users to our coin. It is not recommended to store significant amounts on it. Always remember, coins are completely yours when only you own private keys. You can ask any questions about working with Swampcoin in official social networks. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.